we come to the third technique. Last na itong technique na ito, may 3 techniques lang ang Eaves-Clavierias addition. Yung pangatlo ay repetition technique. Ibig sabihin, uulitin. Halimbawa, 8 plus 9, 6 plus 7, 8, downward, 7, 17, carry 1. Ngayon, kapag may carry, para hindi na pumunta sa taas, para idagdag ang carry, kailangan ulitin mo na lang, ha? You have to repeat. Pag sinabi mong doble or repeat, ibig sabihin sa repetition na yan, kasama na dyan ang carry. So, you don't need to go upward. Right? 6, 6, 5, 4. The answer is 14. So, another example, we have 3 plus 8. Then, 6 plus 7. Now, this one, 8 plus 3 is upward technique. Sapagkat may baby. Kapag may baby, that is upward technique. Pasahin ng malaki. 8, 9, 10, 11. Carry 1. So, kapag may carry 1 ang mga matatanda, ibig sabihin, that is repetition technique. So, you have to repeat so that you will no longer go up to the carry 1. Huwag ka nang pupunta sa carry 1 para hindi ka na maistorbo. Just repeat. Pag nag-repeat ka, kasama na dyan ang carry. 6, 6, 5, 4. The answer is 141.